baggy black khaki shoes from last year, they used to laugh at me. Black boy from a black family, black mom, black daddy, black roots, black fruit sprouted from a black tree with black leaves. Where one once hung for having black dreams. A sad thing that our black kings and black queens was forced in this black scheme that Jim Crow set up, clipping on our black wings. America won't let us fly. They lie saying that the sky's the limit, when for us the limit is the sky. And if we pass it, probably hang us with that ribbon in the sky. I bet Stevie wonder why they hate black fruit. The earth produced black fruit. The minority in the garden of life, where it's hard to be black fruit. It's hard to be black fruit, cause when you are, they don't expect you to grow. Yo, black leaves, black roots, black dreams, black fruit. In a black suit, searching for high position in a job description that only see you as ignorant or a threat, and I have proof. I bet once you applied for a job, and even though you was qualified, you still didn't get it. Went back and saw they gave it to a guy with lighter pigment. And if that ain't ignorant, what is? They being childish, racial profiling. We start a revolution, say we so violent. Just want you to stop shooting us down, stop inducing us down off the social ladder. We trying to climb too, we trying to get a better job too, so we can feed our family. We wanna give them better lives too. I choose death over dishonor, so give me liberty or a horse and carriage pulling my casket behind them. It's a million black men and women crying with their fist up, singing we shall overcome until I lift up. I get up with my fist up and let my soul march with them. I see the souls of Trayvon Martin, Eric Garner, and Mike Brown. We walk with them until we reach the promised land that we was promised, man. Until then, I promise this black fruit will bloom from the black roots of urban America. Probably heard of my area where the only thing promised to a black man is a grave site. After working a dead-end job that takes life out of you late nights, you work just to make like $9 an hour where bill collectors take like more than half of your earnings. You just wanna take flight and leave Earth, jump on a cloud feet first, escape it all, leave it with them, cause either way they gon' take it all. But still I have hope that we can grow, we gon' make it, y'all. Black fruit. The earth produced black fruit. We be the minority in the garden of life, where it's hard to be black fruit. It's hard to be black fruit, cause when you are, they don't expect you to grow. Yo, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Let it ride, let it ride, let it go.
Dust to dust, no lotion, revived as ashes. No pep talk for the workers that work for Mr. Society. I just see pastors that preach these sermons to cure the sadness. We worked ourselves to death, black people in black caskets. My cousin that been in prison, falling under the system. Women having kids early, grandma had an intuition. Fathers abandoned the youngest, too young to understand why. They're standing in the window, waving and crying, telling their why. Understand the oppression, think we brought it on us. You think that that's black people killing black people among them, and you're right, but we adopted that from slave owners, perpetuating the mindset that keep us the blindness to make us slow up. They water us down with water hoses. Ironic how we rose up, just like Rosa. The abuse couldn't hold us. The black is bolder. The Jackie Robinson, Smokey Robinson, Sammy Sosa. Love the black fruit, that cherry Coca-Cola. It's hard to be black fruit.